Hello. Thank you for being interested in Saswell thermostats. Now, let's take a look at how does the C800 to Zigbee realize remote control. First, please make sure the Wi-Fi connected. Second, download the Amazon Alexa and Taya Smart App Store. After registered account, log in App. Click Add Device. Choose TRV and Small Home Appliances. Choose Configuring Wireless Gateway. Now, please make sure the red light of gateway flashes quickly. If not, long press the gateway button for 5 seconds. After red light fast flashing, click Confirm Indicator Rappel Y blank. Choose your Wi-Fi. Enter password. Next. Adding device. Added successfully. Done. Choose Add Subdevice. Now we rotate the plate of TRV to off. Long press the plate till the screen show double dash. Confirm LED already blink on App. Searching. Click Done. Now, we can start remote control. Click TRV Zigbee. Slide off. Slide on. After the thermostat connected the network,